TIG welding, also known as tungsten inert gas welding. In case you are considering a stainless railing project, or you are just about going into stainless fabrication, there is this type of welding that most stainless fabricators are talking about, and they said that this type of welding best fits stainless fabrication. So we are going to be talking about the best stainless fabricating welding, or how would you put it, the best welding for stainless fabricators. So stay tuned to this video. This is Creative TV. Make sure you like this video, share it, and follow for more creative ideas. So let's talk about the best welding for stainless railings. The best welding for stainless railings. Now, when it comes to stainless railing, balconies, handrails, and modern stainless designs, that matters a lot is the quality of the welding. All right, because no matter how expensive the stainless steel looks, poor welding can completely destroy the beauty of that very work. All right, so that is why the quality of welding matters a lot. So the big question is, what is the best welding method for stainless railings? Question is TIG welding, also known as tungsten inert gas welding. And honestly, there are strong reasons why many professional stainless fabricators prefer it. The major reason is, number one, it has clean finishing. So TIG welding produces very smooth and neat weld joints, unlike rough welding methods that leave excessive spatter and uneven surfaces. TIG welding gives stainless railings that clean, professional appearance people actually admire in modern homes, hotels, offices, and balconies. Another reason is precision. Precision. Stainless steel require careful handling because excessive heat can affect appearance and strength of the material. So TIG welding gives the welder more control over the heat and welding process. That very control helps preserve the beauty and quality of the stainless steel. Okay, now let's talk about the appearance. You see, when people install stainless railings, they are not just looking for, strength. What they are also looking at is the beauty, the smooth finishing, and a premium modern look. That is exactly where TIG welding stands out. The weld lines are actually usually clear, smooth, and easier to polish after fabrication. Also, you need to understand that TIG welding works very well for tying pipes and decorative metal works. That makes it perfect for stair railings, balconies, handrails, gates, and interior stainless designs. Now, the question is, does this mean that other welding methods cannot be used? Well, not necessarily. Some fabricators still use MIG welding for faster production. But when it comes to high quality stainless finishing, especially for visible railings and modern decorative works, TIG welding remains one of the top choices. So, in conclusion, the next time you admire a beautiful stainless railing with smooth finishing and clean joints, you know what? There is a high chance of TIG welding played as a major role behind it. Because in stainless fabrication, good welding is not just about joining metals, all right? It is also about beauty, precision, and professional finishing. This is creativity. Share this video, like it, and follow for more creative ideas.